Hey guys, Dobby back at you with another story. A young apprentice was in welding school practicing overhead MIG welding on a test coupon. Overhead is already tricky. Sparks, slag, and molten metal love to rain straight down on you like fiery confetti. He was laying down what he thought was the perfect bead when a big glob of molten metal dripped right onto the crotch of his brand new flame resistant coveralls, the kind that are supposed to protect you in theory. Instead of dropping everything and patting it out like a normal person, the kid panicked and started dancing around the booth trying to shake it off. The glob burned straight through the fabric and stuck to his, well, let's just say the family jewels got a very personal introduction to 2000 plus degree metal. He let out a scream that echoed through the entire shop. The instructor came running, only to find the apprentice hopping around like he was doing the world's worst hula dance, frantically slapping at his pants while yelling, "It's welding my balls to my leg." The best part, when they finally got his coveralls off, they were there was a perfect little circular burn mark on his thigh that looked exactly like a brand. The next day, another instructor walked by, saw the mark, and deadpanned, "What you got there, son? Ringworm?" The kid walked funny for a week, earned the shop nickname Sparky McCrotch, and became the cautionary tale every welding instructor tells new students. Tuck your shirt in, wear proper leathers, and for the love of God, look up when you're welding overhead. Welders are tough, but the shop humor after a good mishap is legendary. These stories usually end with, "At least I didn't lose a finger this time." Thanks for listening, guys, and putting up with my speech impediments and my Shatner-esque pauses. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up, or this one, thumbs down. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.